Okay, I did what I could. No, honestly ne zgleda hudo. Te tatuji so bili fucking obupni za narediti, ok? Se jih nimam vseh, ampak jih imam samo kle. Pa pol tako kle. Pa v zadnjih je eno par, ampak ja. This is it. Tako grem ven, tako grem ven. Ja, ok. Let's just go. Nekako nam je uspel ratati na ta bus. Hitel smo tako kot fukeni zdajle, stari fuck. Evo nas, Kle. Ooh, it's giving, yes. But it's gonna give when I put this wig on. I swear to God. Okay, never mind. That will give him all ass. Oh, hello. Hi, hi. Hello, hello. Hello. Look at my cookie.
Hello, Utahime.
Yes, so cute. Prišla sem sam tako nekaj cajta nazaj. Zdaj gledamo po trgovinah, kaj bomo kupili. 200 evrov budget, that's it. I'm broke. Also, kaj je to? What the fuck? Hello. There we go. What you trying to do?
I'm trying to lick you.
Oh.
Lesbians.
Sampla se že od 5 jutri. What the hell?
I witnessed it all.
My God. Čak, to je pa kona, ne? Wow. Haha. Oh, shit.
DIY. Car.
Si delam DIY ogrlico oziroma zapestnico. Hell yeah, to sem zmagala takrat na Uniju.
Na kolesu sreče.
Kaj je to?
Kolo sreče.
Ja, no to.
Ja, you stupid ass.
Nijem sploh genuine idea, kaj delam, tako da.
Kaj te bo tako odpadalo.
Pač ja, we just go with the flow,
And she chose the fucking bracelet instead of this. Instead of a fucking key charm. Ta phone charm.
Zgubila takoj, to pa ne bo.
Pa to ne bo zgubila. Ne bo.
Ne znam ga tudi gor na telefon.
Budalo. Če nimaš šovitka, a ja, imaš šovitek.
Sparkles, oh my god, sparkles.
Luna is struggling to find the hole.
Hello, don't expose me like that.
You're gonna expose yourself.
No guys, I know where the hole is.
As Luna or as Rafael? That is the big question.
As both.
Oh.
We can test it out, right?
Bye. Ew. She's making eye contact with me behind the camera. Help me, guys. That's Monaco. Jimin.
Naredila sem charm, look at it.
Jimin. Cute.
What the fuck Sem fucking legenda. Alo, dobila sem ADHD pin, pa burek pin. To je najboljši shitkart ever.
This seems to be kicking off with
Huh?
This seems to be kicking off pretty well with the girl.
Okay, go, Gowris, let's go.
Luna stalker, dating people.
Oh my god! Alo, sonce nas je prišlo pogledat. Pa fari. Sonce!
Naš energetski vir.
Oh my god, pozdrav soncu.
Esa blanquita tiene algo que me arranca el puertorriqueño como dar y ninguno. Dama azúcar, no sean mala fe. Pa' que se mezclen a mi piel café. Padre negro, madre blanca, los colores más bacanos. Ey, por eso es que veo a todo el mundo como un hermano. Yeah.
Guys, nu stoppen we. 6 minuten ook. Niet K-pop. Normaal, ampak ni. Remix, ja. Oh, eeuw.
Yeah, check the positive, so God with it, pop a consummate. Don't you be that way like you got all my bombs in it. Maybe some missiles, maybe some sizzle, do some hurdle, smoking a nugget. Hey, sorry I'm thinking aloud, I think it makes me get aside. This is the cloud, I have a different account, but then we been missing miles. Don't got a guy with a gas mask on it, think about the back, take a pass that chronic. No matter fact that a racket punch, I'm gonna mag that garnet. Pass that black, have that demonic, have that badass, that tectonic. Rappers in my city, these suckers, force, plenty of respect to a truck, force. You don't know me by music. You don't know me, you stupid. Put on your shoes and run me with conclusion. I stay away from pole. Keep it polished, make it count. Spend time with my bro bros. Breaking dollars, no more pockets. Homie, that's a no joke. Keep it soupy with my groupies. Keep the dookie, no roll. I'm turning to a no-no. God damn.
I'll give you a minute.
Dihaj. To je to.
Gotta make that money, make purse. Gotta put good show and make it work. Hey. When they see me, gotta work. Gotta make that money, make purse. Body bang. Ooh, wanna rock with Jenny. Down like Jenny. Got him obsessed like Jenny. Whoa, hey. I think I really like haters. They don't really like who, bitch. But have you ever met? Yeah. Oh shit. Like a seven figure on me. Folk, mi smo stranded v Ljubljani. Že 3 ure in nimamo kaj za delati. V glavnem, nekako moramo do doma priti in ne moramo. Kupila sem si tripod, ok. Zdaj smo doma, lahko naredim quick haul. Ama dej, da začnem tako z največjo stvarjo. My man, the legend himself. Oh my god, ok, funny story za ta shit. Sploh nisem videla tega, by the way. In pa mi je Eva rekla, da je tam Loki in jaz sem da like, where? And then I saw it and I found it and then I bought it. And now it's with me. And it's gorgeous. Look. Ok. Pa sem dobila en sticker od ok. Oh my god. Yes, queen. Haul. Ok. Actually, oh my fucking god. Sploh nisem videla, da je to a thing. Da se to prodaja, zato ker je ta igrica tako full stara. Najela sem od StarCraft, uno fucking queen of Zerglings, whatever. Are we dead ass, guys? Veš, da sem jo mogla kupiti, like, okay, I love this woman. Jaz, če igram StarCraft, vedno igram Zerglings, because I love them, you know? In pa sem vzela še tole, ki je neka moon goddess, ne? It fucking makes sense, you know what I mean? Yes, gorgeous. Also, s to moon goddess tako dobim like nek backstory, which is like insane. My dog is going crazy right now, tako da če to slišite, I'm so sorry. Pa še ta sticker sem si vzela, because, yes. Seveda sem mogla biti on the Helluva bus, you know? Oh yeah. Stolas pa Blitz. Oh my god, I love them. če ne bo ta bila skup v tej sezoni, if they don't fuck, as in like love way, I'm gonna lose it. Povzela sem si še Umbreona. Look, but she's trying to say, oh my fucking god, look how cute. Pol sem dubla tako, šla sem tja na K-pop, ker sem si naredila pač to za pesnico, tako kot ste videli prej v videu, ampak ja, Jimmy, to s pesnico sem naredila in pol sem imela tako free une, like poster things, whatever, ker si jih lahko tako vzel in jaz sem si vzela tega, ker ni bilo Jimmyna, ampak sem si vzela Suga, because why not? Nimam ga še v svoji kolekciji, tako da, now we have him. Oh, pol so, randomly so mi dali to postcard iz UMIKO. Yeah. Pač je cute, so I kept it. Ena moja prijateljica mi je kupila ADHD pa burek pin. Because it makes sense. In to je basically to. Zdaj pa lahko odprem še nekaj na kameri, ker sploh še nisem odprla. Hold up. Bitch, I got a poster. To mi je dal tudi moj friend David. In ga, honestly, bitch, kako fajn je on to zapakiral, like, I wouldn't even care, you can just throw that bitch in and I'm happy. Honestly, žalostna sem, da moram to odpreti, ker je tako lepo zapakiran in vem, da v lifeu več ne bo tako lepo zapakiran. Tako da, ja. Vem, da je sam Tokyo Ghoul poster, ne vem pa kako izgleda. Give me like 10 minutes. Evo ga, okej. Dun, dun, dun. Oh. Viš kaj, to je ful večje, kot sem mislila. I'm running out of walls. My favorite bitch ever. Stop, I'm shook right now. Oh my god. Problem je v tem, da pač jaz nimam dosti zidov. Tako, tam je ena luknja, ampak ni dosti velika. Pause on that. Bom že nekaj pogledala, kam bom jaz to dala, ampak thank you so much, ta poster je to. I'm gonna start tweaking, bro. To je konc tega vloga. Hvala, da ste gledali in se vidimo v naslednjem. Okay, Luna out.